Good morning, freshmen. You're going to do the last lesson part of Zello today. And I've told you there's 4 of them. You should have 4 of them completed after today, and then we will move on with different parts of Zello that are a little bit more about you. But today you're going to log into Zello through PowerSchool using the district's website, logging into PowerSchool through that, and then using that little square to sign into Zello. Once you get there, you're going to see the Study Skills and Habits lesson. You have to do this lesson before you can do the assignment. Hear me again. You have to do the lesson before you can do the assignment. When you are finished, that means you have done both of those things, but you have to do the lesson first. So when you log in, you're going to see Study Skills and Habits. It will say Get Started. You will complete that entire series. When you're finished with that, you will then go over here to the assignments portion, click on Study Skills Habits Lesson, answer the question for me, turn it in, you will click done, and then that is when you are finished. If you have questions, make sure that you ask your mentor. You can also ask me. But this one, you're going to learn about all the different types of study skills, habits that you should have to be successful in high school and even after high school. You might learn some different tips and tricks to help you from here on out. So once again, if you have questions, let me know, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you.